Hey, welcome back, everybody. Mr. Short again. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 2, Lesson 21, which is pages 107. Yep, today you have that one on the back, and 108. Let's get into this one. You guys tricked me last night, and I gave you a little extra. I'm going to try not to let that happen again today, but you never know. Sometimes I get on a roll, and I just can't help but teach it to you. All right, so use the place value to subtract. So we have 37 minus 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's our tens place. Remember, if we draw a line right here, we see our tens and our ones because there's only 2 places. So we have 3 tens, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So we need to get rid of 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we just count how many we didn't cross off. You need to put an X on them. You put an X on them. So I have 2 ones left and 3 tens left. So our answer would be 32. All right, we look at our next one is 37. So divide it again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and we have 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay, I'm going a little fast. I'll slow down. I'm sorry. So now we need to take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't have enough here. You're going to have to bring a 10 over. Remember how to do that. We worked on that before. I'm not going to do it for you. That's all the help I'm giving you. Let's turn it over to the back. Okay. On the back, we have 53 minus 26. Oh, this is 2 digits. I'm going to help you with this one because it's 2 digits for the first time. So we have 1, 2, 3 ones. Check. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. 5 tens. Check. All right. So we need to take away 6 ones. We don't have 6 ones. All right. Time to blow up a 10. That 10's gone. Let's add 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Can we take the 6 away now? Yes, we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put that 7 there. All right, but now we got to take away 2 tens. We haven't had to do that before. Remember, this one's already gone. We don't count this one. This one doesn't exist anymore. So 1, 2. So now we look at how many tens do we have left? We have 2 left. So that's our answer for that one. Again, parents, real quick, if you're with me, 53 minus 26. So we can't subtract here. So we take a 10 just like we did here. So now that's 13, and we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens left. We put that 4 there. So 13 minus 6 is 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Same answer. So we got it right. I hope this is helping parents. I know this is a little different, but again, it is better. All right. Your homework tonight, guys, is only 4 problems. This was Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 2, Lesson 21, pages 107 and 108. I hope this helps. I hope it's working out. Have a good night.